Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, your technical friend. Today I am going to explain how to disassemble AVITA MAGUS IN025P model 2-in-1 laptop. First, you need to separate the keyboard panel palm rest. It was a magnetable connector. You need to remove that one. And you need to check the screws. Here in this keyboard side attachable panel there are two screws are there. Okay, you need to remove that screws. And this side HDMI connector and USB port side three screws are there, but here only two screws are there. This is the customer dead condition laptop. They are given for repair. Here I am going to show the disassemble of the battery or screen, because if you know about the board level repair, it will take time. That's why only in this video I am going to show only the disassemble.
In my upcoming videos I am going to upload repairing videos also.
Lock is there, you need to open carefully. This is a touch screen laptop. You need to open very carefully. If anything's happen, that it's very sensitive screen. You need to open the locks like this very carefully. Check the wherever it's coming easily, you need to go through that way. Be careful, because if locks are broken, it won't assemble or it won't sit its position properly. Don't break the locks.
If locks are broken, it's not possible to fabricate that locks also, because these are all plastic locks. That's why you need to open carefully, and the position of the fabrication is also very delicate. That's why only remove carefully while removing the panel.
See friends, you need to open the back panel like this. Okay, this is the motherboard, this is the battery, and this is the total display panel. It's a combo of both touch and display.
Here the motherboard is also fixed with screws. You need to remove that screws.
Now here again I am going to disassemble the motherboard. you need to attach again this type of yellow color papers. These are the heat resistance tapes, otherwise non-conductor. First you need to remove the battery connector. And remove what are the connectors are there.
If motherboard is fixed with screws, you need to remove that screws. What are the motherboard screws are there, you need to remove that screws. Before removing the motherboard, you need to check that motherboard screws.
Very carefully friends, because while removing the strips, if it is broken, some materials and some components won't get in market also, because these are all very rare models. That's why this is the motherboard of this AVITA MAGUS laptop, 2-in-1 laptop. If you want to replace the motherboard, or you need to do the service, you need to disassemble. You need to disassemble like this. For this type of, you need to use a glue remover solvent, little bit. Don't use thoroughly. See friends, this is the battery. Here again I am going to remove the battery. Gum is there. For removing the battery, you need to remove these connectors, strips. This is the keyboard strip. This one is display cable or display strip, display to motherboard. You can take this type of or any other plastic removable. Okay, for this one gum is there. I am going to use IP for this one. Otherwise you need to use the glue remover. Put little bit on that paper. I am using IP solution or any other isopropyl alcohol. You need to wrap like this. Already removed like this because it came easily. This is see, for gum, if you use isopropyl or IP solution, it will come out easily. or you need to use any other glue removal solution. It won't come easily. You need to use glue removal solution or IP little bit if don't use thoroughly. See friends, you need to disassemble like this AVITA MAGUS INS 250 all-in-one laptop. Sorry, 2-in-1 laptop. You need to replace the battery like this, or you need to replace the screen. You need to first disassemble the motherboard and this one battery. Again I am going to assemble the motherboard and this one. It is a dead laptop, but I need to repair this one. Here in this video I am going to explain only disassemble, because it will take time. Because see here and see friends, I need to repair the motherboard because it won't turn on here, and there is a damage on this one screen. This one screen motherboard is there, screen data board, and it has some damage, burning damage. I know it has problem in this, that's why it will take time. So that one I am going to reassemble each and everything for your learning purpose. This is the motherboard. It's very tiny motherboard. It's like an tab motherboard. I'm going to reassemble the motherboard. For your learning purpose, or any other battery replacement, or three screws are there. Okay, don't over tight because screen is there. If you over tight, it will damage to the screen. Again I am going to put this one palm rest connector, magnetable connector. Attach the strips. What are the strips you need to attach? You need to do properly and lock it properly also. I am going to attach the display cable also. Here lock is there. You need to lock like this. Need to attach the all strips. You need to do very carefully while opening even any laptop or tab also, because so many connectors and locks are there. If you damage, it won't sit properly. That's why you need to do carefully. while opening or closing the laptop or any other tab, mobile. Put the antenna wise for Wi-Fi purpose. It won't catch Wi-Fi signals properly. For that, you need to attach properly. See friends, you need to assemble or replace the battery like this. Again, I am going to attach the panel, base of this one panel. See first where the locks are easily going to fix. You need to do carefully because it is a touch, and display is also having touch, and in to whole display section have this one touch and displays in combos option. If any damage to this one, I think availability of this one is also very rare. Friends, you need to disassemble like this. This is a dead condition laptop. Again, I need to remove and I need to repair the board. Disassemble, you need proper screwdriver, and this one I am going to put the screws also. I will show this one. 2 screws are there. And here also screws are there. Here 3 screws are there, but here only 2 screws. At the time of submission, we have only 2 screws. After repair, I need to put that screw, put one more screw also. Friends, if you are interested in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, share this video and give like for me for next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.